Hello everyone, this is Easy Math. In the previous video, we have seen about types of angles. Let us just recall them before we get into the exercise sums, okay? So we studied different types of angles when both the rays are on top of the other. When there is no angle formed between them, it is called zero angle and the measure is 0 degree. When the rays are close to each other, it is called acute angle. And what is the measure of acute angle? It is more than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees. And this is the way you have your acute angles. The rays will be close to each other. Then the rays are, one is standing and one is sleeping. That is a horizontal ray and the vertical ray. When you have two straight rays, they meet at a point, then the angle between them is right angle and it measures exactly 90 degrees. Now look at this. When the rays are away from each other, it is an obtuse angle and measure is, it is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. More than 90 means 91, 92, 93 up to 179. Here more than 0 means 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree up to 1 degree to, it measures from 1 degree to 89 degrees is what? Acute angle. So same way here, more than 90 means 91 degree to less than 180 means 179 degree. These measures are called obtuse angle. Now straight angle, one is towards the right and the other ray is towards left. Then it is called a straight angle. It measures exactly 180, only 180 degrees, not 181, not 179. Is straight angle. Same way exactly 90, not even 89, not even 91. Exactly 90 is called right angle. Same way we have seen in the hands of the clock. When the big hand of the clock, when it completes one full rotation, it is called complete angle and it is exactly 360 degrees. Okay, by having this recalled, we'll go to the exercise sums. In class 5, page number, it is 20. It is given, name the types of angles formed in the following items. If you see this box here, you can see one red line is marked here. If you open your book and see, there is an angle marked at this corner, like this it is marked. So what angle is this? Can you, if you compare this with this types of angles, look at this angle is like which one? Yes, isn't it is like this right angle, isn't it? Like this straight lines, upright line and the horizontal line. See, what is it, vertical line and horizontal line. Yes, so this angle is what angle? It is right angle. Next is, it is in the scissors. Where the angle is marked, its angle is marked here. It is marked here. So how does the ray? The rays are away from each other. So it is what angle? Obtuse angle. See, it is the scissors. What is given the diagram is scissors. And see, these two handles are away from it. Is what is it? Expanded to the maximum. It is like this. Look at this. What is the angle formed here now? It is obtuse angle. When the scissor is open, when it is closed, what angle is this? When the scissor is closed, it is zero angle. Like this, acute angle. Then when they are straight opposite each other, it is 90 degrees. Now when they are away from each other, when it's opened fully, it is what angle? Obtuse angle. Now look at this cutting plier. And where the angle is marked, the angle is marked here. So in this cutting plier, the angle is marked here. If it is here, it would have been acute, or maybe we can say acute or obtuse. This is if they are away from each other, we can say obtuse. But here, the angle is here, it is marked. So this is, here is a line, here is a line. So this is what angle? Straight angle. Okay, it is a straight angle. Straight angle when the two rays are away from each other. Now next we'll see. Now look at this. It is a parallelogram. Here the angle is marked. See, there it is a what is a horizontal line and this ray is going away from this. So this angle is obtuse angle. And this is, what can you see? See, rays are close. So this is acute angle. And look at the next diagram. Look at it. Angle is marked here. Here is the angle. This is one ray. This is one ray. They are away from each other. So it is obtuse angle. And can you guess this? Very easy to find is right angle. Let us write them now. So look at them. First one is obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle. This is acute angle. This is obtuse angle. And this is right angle. Now identify this now. What is this? Yes, it is acute angle. And this is right angle. So let us check this now. What angle is this? The rays are close to each other. Guess? Yes, it is acute angle. Good, it is acute. And what is next? Guess this. What angle is this? When they are, one is slanting and one is, one is horizontal, other one is vertical. It is right angle. And what is this? It's in the hands of the clock. Straight and this is down. So what is this angle? It is right angle. You're right. And what is this? Look at the hands of the clock here. What is this angle? The rays are close to each other. So it is acute angle. Yes, A-C-U-T-E, acute. And what is this last one? The rays are away from each other. So it is obtuse angle. Okay. So next one is, look at this activity. Draw angles to represent right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. So we have drawn this. This is right angle. It's given. Now we can join these two dots and these three dots. What is this? Acute angle. Join here, 3 dots here and 4 dots here. What is this? Obtuse angle. Look at this joining like this. You get acute angle. It is already given. What angle is this? Right angle. Join like this. What is this? Right angle. This is given already. Now what is this? It is obtuse angle. And join like this. What is this? Acute angle. And this one, right angle. See, this is not the only way of joining. This is I joined it. You join in your own way, in whichever way you like it, and form right angles, acute angles and obtuse angles, so that you enjoy this concept of angles and also you become thorough in this different types of angles. See, there are few dots left. How else can we draw? Can you draw something? If you draw like this, what is this? Acute angle. If you draw like this, it is right angle. Then what shall we draw? If you draw like this is again right angle. So you join the dots in your own way, in whichever way you like it, and form different types of angles. Okay. Now we'll see exercise 1.3. The angles below 90 degrees and above 0 degrees. Above 0 means more than 0. Below means less than 90. It's called what? Acute angle. The angles below 180 and above 90 means more than 90, 91, 92, 93. Below 180 means up to 170 are called obtuse angles. Then dash angle is formed by joining two consecutive right angles. Consecutive means two continuous. See, this is one right angle. And consecutive means continuous. There is one more right angle here. Here one right angle, here one right angle. So when two right angles are joined, what is the full angle you get? Two straight lines we get. So it is straight angle. Then the obtuse angle in triangle ABC. This is the triangle ABC. Which is the obtuse angle? Obtuse means the rays are away from each other. A, it is close. So it is acute. B is also acute. And look at C. It is the rays are away from each other. So angle C is obtuse angle. So circle option C, that is only angle C. Now the hands of the clock at 3:20, when the time is 3:20, look at the clock. Already we have explained with the clock in the previous video. Okay, we know how the hands move in the clock. So it's 12, 6, 3, 9. 3:20 means your small hand is straight to 3 and the big hand is 20 minutes. 20 minutes means it is straight to 4, because if it is 1, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So 3:20. Small hand is at 3. 20 minutes means big hand is at 4. So 3:20. Look at this. What is the angle formed? Acute angle. Okay. Now, which of the following alphabets has a right angle in it? Which angle has right angle? Just observe. Look at this L. Is it not like right angle? Like this and like this? Yes. Letter L has a right angle. So option A is the correct answer. K is anywhere right angle. Here, 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 here. This is obtuse. This is acute. This is acute. Here, this is acute. This is acute. In N, here is acute. Here is acute. Look at this next one. Circle the right angle. So which is right angle? What is this angle? What is this angle? Yes, it is acute. What is this? It is right angle. So question is circle the right angle. So angle B is the right angle. Now what is angle C? It is obtuse, away from each other. Angle D, again they are close to each other. It is acute. So we have to circle the right angle. Angle B is the right angle. Then the angle shown in this picture. See picture. What is shown here? It is marked like this. Horizontal line, vertical line. What is the angle? Can you guess? Yes, it is 90 degrees. It is more than 120? No. More than 180? No. Less than 45? No, it is exactly 90 degrees. Okay. Next is the angle formed by the nail cutter. Have you all seen a nail cutter? This is the nail cutter. So how do we take when you cut your nails? We keep like this. So look at the angle. What is the angle formed by the nail cutter? Check. Here is the angle formed. What is the angle? It is, can you see? Keep like this. And what is the angle formed in the nail cutter? From here, between this and these two lines, it is acute angle. So nail cutter is acute angle. When next one is, name the angles formed when the vessels are lifted by tongs in kitchen. Name the angles formed when the vessels are lifted by tongs in the kitchen. What is it? What are tongs? See, this is a tong we use in kitchen to lift hot vessels. When the vessels are hot, we cannot lift by hand, so we use this. This is a tong. Okay, see this? This is a tong. Can you see? So we think we have to lift this vessel. So what do? We open the tong. We open the tong like this. So what is the angle formed in the tong? Just see. Here is the angle formed. We open the tong. This is the angle. What is this angle? It is obtuse angle. And when you are lifting, what do? We catch like this. We catch like this and we fold it like this. So what is the angle when you lift it? When you lift, we close. What is the angle formed here? Look at it. Here it is obtuse. These are the two rays. This is one ray. This is one ray and this is another ray. These are the two rays. Top one and bottom one. So when you open, it becomes obtuse angle. When you close, it becomes acute angle. So when you use the tongs, the angles are obtuse and acute. When you open, it is obtuse. When you open, it is obtuse. And when you close, it is acute. Okay. Now your activity in this, you write your name in English, that is in using capital letters. In English, using capital letters, and try to find out the angles formed in the letters which you have in your name. Suppose for example, we'll take the name Ravi, or A-V-I, Ravi, and let us identify the angles. What are the angles here? Here it is right angle, here right angle, right angle, right angle, and what is this? Acute angle, acute angle. And then in A, what is this? It is acute angle. Here obtuse, here obtuse, obtuse, obtuse. In V, here acute. In I, here right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle. Now after marking, what do? Mark all the right angles in one color, acute angles in one color, and obtuse angles in one color. Okay? See, I have used blue color to mark the right angles. All the right angles are marked in the same color, blue. And acute angles are marked with pink. Acute angle, acute angle. See, these pink colors are acute angles. And this I used brown colors to show obtuse angles. Here, two obtuse angles. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 acute angles. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right angles. So like this, you write your name in capital letters. Like this neatly, you formed by the straight lines, and try to find the angles in your name. You can even write name of the animals. I have written lion, L-I-O-N, lion. A name of a flower, L-I-L-Y, lily. A name of a bird, crow, C-R-O-W, and find out the angles. Here it is right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle. Here all the four are right angles. In N, acute angle, acute angle. And here it is right angle. Tell me, right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle. Here it is right angle. What is this? Obtuse angle. Here it is obtuse angle. Here it is obtuse angle. And in crow, right angle, right angle. Right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle. This is acute angle, acute angle. Again, O is very easy. A right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle. This is acute angle, acute angle. So you write the animals, the flowers, the birds, why even fruits, whichever you like, in capital letters neatly like this, and identify the angles in them and enjoy the concept of angles. Will you all do it? Okay, see you all in the next class. Bye from now. Thank you all.